What is up? I need to make some sort of like cute like intro or whatever. But it's now Monday. We can call it Good Monday. And we're going to Chanel's interview. And then we're gonna like do a couple errands or whatever. Isn't she look beautiful? Yeah. Really fit. She convinced me to vlogging today, so guys, give her a kiss and go subscribe to her channel. I'm gonna link it down below. She'll be as lit as me soon, okay?
Do not know her name. Is it Keisha? Is it Tisha? Maybe Lisa? Or Teresa? It could be Tia. Maybe L.I.A.
So we're in our future workplace right now, and she's filling out the application, and then she's gonna do her interview. We already have the job, but I want to show you guys like how it looks and stuff. You got it, baby. Or not?
How cute too.
We're so excited to like be working somewhere cute. Because now, let me tell you guys, outfits are going to be popping because we work at a clothing store where like it's either my mom's favorite brand. Like we're working at a clothing store where like
You should get the half chicken or half rice, half fries, and then
I think that was no, I don't want fries, but I want rice. But yeah, so where we're working, it's like clothes that we like. Like we'll actually be able to like get like cheap things that we like and not have to worry about anything. So we're excited. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my food when it's ready, okay? Waiting on our food, but like I always get things fresh every single place that I go, so it's gonna take long as hell. That's it. Who else finishes their drink before the food? That's what I'm saying. Like, what the hell? If you do that, thumbs up the video. Nice. Tasting good. So, next week I'm doing my hair different because I'm getting tired of this shit. But, I'm not doing it right. It's gonna be blonde. You're excited about that? I'm not even the type to just go to my hairstyles like that. Like, I just do them. But I'm letting you guys know what's happening with my hair. So it's gonna be blonde with like brown roots, maybe like ash blonde. I'm gonna tone the fuck out of my hair. To be honest, I'm probably gonna make a video on the whole process of that too. Like I'll probably make a video, like I don't know, she's gonna make the wig for me. She's better at doing that than I am. And then I'll probably make the video of me dyeing it or like toning the hair and like dyeing the roots and stuff and showing people how to like dye their frontal without getting the lace. Even I already made a video on that. Maybe it'll be different if I do it on like a different type of hair or different type of platform. But yeah. You decided. I know you are. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
proper stove.
Yummy goodness. Yum. Yum. So that food was just way too much. None of us finished our food, so we have takeout containers. So we're home now. Well, at my house. And like today, this vlog is probably trash. I'm sorry. We didn't do anything. Like all we did was go to her interview. We ate Osmos and went to beauty supply store. I probably should have vlogged that, but I'm sorry guys, but that's all this vlog has for us. I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow too, so this video will at least get to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think she's going home now. Or I don't know. I'm not too sure. But how y'all liking the vlogs? My lash is coming off. I had a long day, okay? I'm having a really long day. But make sure if you guys want to continue to see my vlogs, you have to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see my vlogs. And if you want me to continue doing this, you have to like, comment, and subscribe. Every subscriber I get, I know that I'm doing something right. Okay? Okay. Her interview was successful, if you're wondering, by the way. We're just hired. But the thing is, we have the job, but we just don't know when we're gonna start. And we are tired of sitting down on our asses. I'm tired of sitting down on my ass. I'm tired of like not having work because I need to make money. I have a car insurance that has to be paid every 26th of the month. Like, we need to be making money. Like, we can't be sitting down. So, Lord, I just really hope that we'll start like being on our feet soon. We'll start working soon. Another issue is like every time we go, it's like we have to go crazy for a parking spot. Like literally, like it's like parking wars. Like we have to be fighting people to follow. Like people are fighting over parking spots. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, because if that's the case, I'm gonna be late for work every single day. So I'm probably gonna have to drive down there one day and just figure out. There's so many people that work there. There must be a way, right? There must be something that they're doing that we're not doing. But yeah, today was really boring.
We had a good day.
We always have good days. Me and her always have good days. Like every single day. Every day.
Just look at the eyeshadow.
Of my life. Gonna find you here. Wanna hold on tight. Take my hand. Together we can celebrate. Okay, bye. Queen Naja out here, boy.